It is good to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times. Co.za. Qala leSellenbosch la khwela ibhasi lahamba ke la ePitori la kora ke inqaku elibiza into ba ke iaway goal kumdlalo we-MTN 8 semi-final umjikelo wokuqala. Ngoku ke amaqela omabini azawuhamba aye kwelika Banana eThekwini kuzawudlalwa ke umdlalo umjikelo wesibini. Liphumelele iqela ke leSellenbosch kukorwa ipenalty ngumdlali ekuzanya ukruthakhruthwana ngaye uFawaz Basadin. Simqhobela izandla ke ngokuba nembeko nokuya emsebenzini ethanda engathandi. Sivile ke into ba phakathi evekini ebefake i-transfer request kodwa ukwazi into ba adlale abe yindoda athathe enze isonga sabantwana bakhe awenze umsebenzi. Simqhobela izandla ke ngokukora inqaku lokuphumelela kwiqela leStellenbosch. Mamelodi Sundowns kuyabonakala ke into ba liqela elohlukileyo ngendlela abadlala ngayo, indlela ke leyo enika umdla okanye into leyo enika umdla kakhulu ngoba lonto ingathetha into ba le league sizawungena kuyo ngoku izawunika umdla kakhulu. Nanjengoko umfo wakwaVilakazi beke watsho wathi yena uyayinukisa iMamelodi Sundowns into ba ingaphuma naku top 3 ekupheleni kwesizini. Sawubona ke into ba iqenqeleka ibhola iyophelela kweliphi na icala ngoba kamaqela lapha eMzantsi Afrika anomkhuba wokuquthaquthana kutsala amanqaku ngapha nangapha ibe ibaleka yodwa ngapha ya iSundowns. Sawuthemba ke okanye sicele kwizithixo zebhola zisinike isizini engcono kule isizini. Limane libethwa iqela leSundowns siyibukeleke imovie bemnandi iphele ngoMay. Siyathandaza ke kwizithixo zebhola. So what do you make of the game, sir?
Mr. K ujani mfethu? Alright,
that was a mouthful. I'm happy. I'm happy with what I saw. So
ngibulise wena mfethu.
It's interesting.
Ngibulise Julia, ngibulise Justice, ngibulise Pep lapha uLindo. Nginibulise nani emakhaya. Cela support njalo la Diski TV. Ngizobeka nje njalo ngijike futhi.
We are praying to the football gods to give us a good season, please. No one must win until May.
You know,
we might just see that. And I'm happy because I loved Rolando Mukwena as well. And not only him, Spanish coaches, people who take the match by the scruff of the neck and dominating opposition. And because Rolando is black, bekatelelwa abantu abamnyama bala eMzantsi Afrika ukuthi no, it's because you're coaching Sundowns. Now sibone opposite yaloo nto leyo. Okay, you think everyone can coach Sundowns? Masiyibone iqenqeleka ke sawubona kuba will there be an improvement with the current coach? We can't say much because it's still early days, but I'm happy. My heart is warm.
Mr. Gil, what a game. I'm one person that like uthanda ukufunda ebholweni. I'm that person. Ngiyathanda ukufunda njalo. When I watch the games, I learn, and it helps me to grow in football. And I said it. Quarter final. Ngathi mina Sundowns baya go semi-final. They didn't score a goal. Polokwane City, they conceded an own goal. For me, it raised my flags.
And you said they won't go to the semi-finals of the Champions League.
I don't see
that. Looks like a good prediction.
I don't see that, Mr. Ngoba. We're just talking now. These two coaches, the two coaches, Mangoba and Steve Kompela, they were there. The other one, first assistant, the other one, coach. And they've won things. So that means my assistant, when we head coach, it means we are learning from the coach. And
we would assume.
Oh yes. So now, makahamba no coach law. It means you guys, you show us what you've learned. Would know why simfundile usibonisile yanokiwa le nto iqalwa phansi inzwani hey lizolofaka la phakathi nede ubonisa ukuthi uye waba a good student
and you agreed with what was happening.
Yes, ukuthi bheka nami nginesandla nami lapha yana ukuthi njoba says wawina nje iligi kanje sidliwe ilikini game
one
nami nginesandla nami lapho mseke. So now bese sekuthiwa ke msekiwa sikubone ke manje ukuthi ngempela nawe nje ukuthi ubone isandla lapha makuwina asikubone sinika wena ke manje. I will say I'm disappointed, Mr. Nkiwu. And I said it even nago Pep ngathi mina, if my memory says well, it's been a long time seeing Sundowns playing a long ball. My memory, if
And even
it says
crossing the ball is not something they do.
A ball that will jump the midfielders and go to the. I even said they playing a second ball now. It's no more the Sundowns that builds up from the back and then they go and end up scoring. In the whole 90 minutes, there are 2 chances. In those 2 chances, they got them second half, the last 10 minutes.
And they were chasing the game.
They were chasing the game because of Stellenbosch just scored a goal. And in that, when you go and look at the game in that 65 minutes, Sundowns, they were nowhere to be seen.
The first 65 minutes.
Yeah, they were nowhere to be seen. Stellenbosch were there creating chances. Just, that's where you see sometimes experience plays a part.
Let me ask you an important question. Sorry to cut you. Yeah. Is this not about time though? I know if it was about time, maybe we were already going to be seeing it build up. So, okay, they believe in this. I know that the skepticism, Themba, no Coach Steve Komphela, Themba kuvela kule nto uba bebengakhange bayidlale kwanamhlanje. To some degree, even nakumatch ePolokwane City ngathi bebengafuna uemphasize loo nto. Ngeli xesha bebeyidlala, the importance of ukuyidlala is that they actually at some point were the best team in Africa. 2 years ago. Whether they won the Champions League or not, these eyes don't lie. They were the best team in Africa and everyone just came and defended against them.
Yeah.
I think today, the important question I want to ask you is, have we seen enough to be able to be skeptical, number one, or to be able to deduce, which is to assume that it will not get better?
Mr. Nkeo, for me personally, I don't see anything good that is coming.
Yo, Tikla?
No, I'll be honest. Mr. Nkeo, when you watch that game of Polokwane City, it was not the Sundowns that we all know. Tonight again, it was not the Sundowns that we know. We cannot have 10 minutes of those 2 chances that were created, and then we say it was us Sundowns play. The Sundowns that we all know, from the first whistle to the last whistle, it can be one of those days where we'll say, yo, they've missed. They've missed. That is Sundowns. They've missed a lot of chances. Only 2. And then we're saying, you see this team going somewhere. I mean,
it's the second game of the season, so.
But we're talking about somebody who's been there for 9 years, from 8 years.
Somewhere between 8 and 9.
Yeah. Coach Mangoba has been there. So it means he knows what is that needs to be done. He will continue. If he was involved.
And if he believed in that.
And he believed that what Coach Pitso was doing and Coach Rulano was doing is the way.
Is it not too early to even assume that it's not going to get better? Clearly, they're going to beat other teams because the league is weak. They're going to beat other teams. And that's why I'm saying that I'm praying to the football gods that someone raises their hand. It could be Pirates, it could be Stellenbosch, it could be Cape Town City. But I'm banking on any of them to have a good run so that they can then be neck and neck with Sundowns in the league. And then we'll have a brilliant league season, which we've been crying for.
Yeah.
But can you not, because obviously Sundowns with their players, they will beat the hell out of other teams. But can you not bank on Mangoba picking up? Or even tonight, because people are people, so.
Yeah.
Because we never thought Steve Barker could play.
Yeah.
And today he asked Jaden Adams to go and collect the ball. So people are people. And yes, some coaches like, for example, Gavin Hunt doesn't believe in playing.
Yeah.
And he will tell you that he's won 4 league titles.
Yes.
So he is what he is or who he is.
Yeah.
He will never change.
Yeah.
But with the pressure of tonight, and the fans, you know how they can become.
Yeah.
And even the analysis, even today, the video clips will be out there in social media. Can you not go to sleep? And it's difficult to sleep as a coach anyways. You guys will know this as well. You might be up at 3 a.m. tomorrow morning and you're like, maybe let me go back to what we used to do last year. Which means as long as you're alive, so as long as you're not fired, you still have a chance to change this. There's still an opportunity for you to change the tactic because for as long as you are alive, you have a fighting chance.
Yeah, I think that door is open, Mr. Nkeo, but I'm worried because I think they're supposed to see that when they play against Polokwane City to say, hey, this is not Sundowns that we know. all of us, that they can create a lot of chances, that maybe can score, that can play entertaining football. This is not the Sundowns. So that means we need to change in terms of how we played against Polokwane City. And then now we need to showcase against Stellenbosch. But for me, it was like one of the same thing. Stellenbosch, and yes, I know Stellenbosch always gives Sundowns a headache, but Sundowns, they didn't come to the party tonight, and with the way of their play, I don't see. That's why I'm like, I don't see anything good, because you cannot change immediately, Mr. Kyo. Now Sundowns, they just change just like that, and when you change immediately just like that, then it means you whatever that was happening in the team, you didn't believe in it. So that's why you are coming to implement your way.
That's a very good point. So, still fighting chance for Sundowns. But anyways, we've spoken enough about Sundowns. Well done to Stellenbosch.
Coach Steve Parker, I always say, Mr. Keo, he's not the Steve Parker that he was when he was with Tamatax. And I said, there's something that he's cooking there. And I don't know how he's doing it, and he's doing it. Even though
I believe it's a team effort. So
yeah, no, it has to. It has to, because he's got a good ear to listen, and I believe that he listens very well. He takes instructions from his team and then implement that, and that is wonderful to really see him, because I thought the game is leaving him behind from the way he was playing at Amatax, but now he's becoming a powerful team, to Stellenbosch, with the way he's playing, the way I've never seen Stellenbosch starting the ball at the back.
I would go as far as saying so. South Africa needs Stellenbosch. There's Chiefs, there's Pirates, there's Sundowns,
Yeah.
And of course Sundowns is winning the league alone. I would go as far as say this country needs Stellenbosch. This country needs Cape Town City.
They definitely need. That's why when I predict on my the log, I said it's gonna be Pirates, can be Cape Town City, Stellenbosch, Gavin Hunt, and then maybe can be Sundowns, because even though when they lose key players, they manage to get these young boys into the system, and then they come in and then they do well. And for me, that's something that is so special, what Coach Eric and Coach Steve Parker are doing. It's not an easy thing to really get these young boys from that TTC, and then you put them here in the senior team, and then they do well. And for them, coaches, I respect you.
All right.
Losing key players, since I knew these two teams, season in, season out, they losing players, but they still continue work, and then they do well.
Thank you very much, Mr. So-and-so. Thank you very much to everyone watching us. I have mixed feelings about this, because it's only the second game of the season insofar as the harsh criticism, but it is what it is. The guys are saying what they're saying. That's why I'm asking the question, do you not think it's too early? But we've already seen that there's a difference in the Sundowns that we know. The Sundowns that was the best team in Africa. I don't know how they're going to do in the AFL as well. It's going to be an interesting one. If the edition of the AFL continues at some point later this year, it's going to be interesting to see how they take it from there, because they clearly are it's like a random team, African team that just wants to win matches, as opposed to the team that they were, to construct and to win and to dominate. And that's why they became the most feared team on the African continent. It is Creativity Times, also sports betting.